Welcome back to another episode of Clean Eating and Exercises with Ashley. Today, I am going to show you how to make a filling salad with all the right nutrients and a homemade dressing. This is the pecan cranberry chicken salad. We are going to start with the mixture needed to coat the pecans. Now, I use a blend jet. It's small, it's very easy to use, and the cleanup is so much easier. The recipe is in the description for this. You are then going to take that, coat it in about 2 cups of pecans all the way through. And then with your spatula, you're going to give it a nice mixture to coat all the pecans. Now, hold the bowl so it does not fall all over the place like it did for me. Okay, next we are going to do the chicken. Now, the recipe for this is in the description, but you're going to coat both sides. And then I am using a cast iron pan. I've already put about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil on the bottom. I let it heat up about medium to low heat. And then you let it cook for a few minutes on each side. You want the internal temperature to hit about 165 degrees. Flip it over. I love cooking cast iron. It's flavorful. And I do slices on the top of the chicken in order to cook all the way through. If you have bigger pieces of chicken, try to butterfly them to get to that center. All right. Now let's go to the next step. It is going to be making the dressing. I've already cleaned the blend jet. These are some of the ingredients needed to make the honey Dijon dressing. We've got your honey, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a few other things. Again, look in the description. You will find the recipe. But it's super easy to use the blend jet, so I highly encourage you get one. You can see the chicken is done there. Now the pecans, they went in the oven, okay? We are going to bring them out. I wish you could smell the kitchen. It smells so good. But we're going to put them on top of the counter on a cooling rack and let them cool down. And next, let's assemble the salad. There's one other ingredient. You've got the lettuce, arugula spring mix, Parmesan, cheese, and the chicken. And there's some cranberries in there too for some extra sweetness. Put the pecans on top, as many as you want. Pecans are a wonderful, healthy fat. And then we're going to pour the dressing over. Really, really easy to make. Pecan cranberry chicken salad. Make sure you hit subscribe. Follow me. A filling salad. I know you're going to enjoy it. Let me know in the comments.